If you had a chance to start over with someone, would you go back and meet them again? Or would you choose not to meet them at all? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and of course, do not forget to click the tiny bell button beside the subscribe button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here on this channel. Today guys, as you can see in the title down below, I will be answering some of your questions that you left on my gift wrapping giveaway. So, I will be answering some on this part kasi medyo madami yung mga nilive nyo na questions, guys. So, I will only answering a few and then we will make a part 2 of this para ma-answer ko lahat ng, ng questions nyo para masaya, diba? So, let's get on to the video. From Simply Child Dawn's question, ano wish mo this coming New Year at ano ang favorite mong powder? I have 3 wishes. Sana mapasa ko yung dalawang exams ko, and then sana matulong na yung bato ko. Actually, she left this question before the New Year, and then after New Year, nalaman ko na that I have a kidney stone. So, my wish is sana mawala na yun after 3 months, hopefully. So, thank you so much, sis, for that question. Ano ang favorite mong powder? So, as of the moment, andito talaga kasi kakatapos ko nag-makeup. Ito yung Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Ito yung favorite ko, guys. 150 pesos lang yan. And yan yung ginagamit ko sa lahat, sa everyday na gamit ko. And kahit sa mga nafe-film ako and all those things, gustong-gusto ko yan. To Ina Amber, her question is, ano po yung mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo? Ano po yung mga bagay or gawain na gustong-gusto nyong gawin or matanggap? Nagpapasaya sa akin, little things make me happy talaga. Kahit ano pa yan. So, more on food lang, ganoon lang. Okay na ako doon, guys. Hindi ako mapiki na tao or kailangan ko ng mga ganito para maging masaya, no. And ano po yung mga bagay or gawain na gustong-gusto yung gawin? I really love to travel. 2016, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-travel, so I'm planning to travel more this 2017. Though, baka hindi ko na makasama si Max sa mga travels ko, but I really hope makapag-travel ako more often. Ayun, kasi doon ako super duper happy to see new places and new friends and meet new friends sa mga places na yun. And kay Charisse and Rion, what is your favorite Christmas treat? If you've seen my video na yung s'mores, yun guys, yun ang gustong-gusto ko na merienda kasi. I will put the link down below. Kasi kahit hindi siya Christmas, pwede nyo siyang gawin kung feel nyong gumawa ng ganun. And it is a perfect activity for your kids and or with your niece kasi ginawa namin yun ni Baby Girls. Angela Felix, my question will be, what are your hopes for 2017? Yun nga, nasagot ko na yung hopes ko. Sana magpasa and yun, matunaw ang ang bato. Di ba? Pwede lang ibenta yung stone na to eh. And from Genevieve Texon, what do you suggest for long-lasting blush or for morenas? For morenas skin siguro to. Ang masasuggest ko, I'm not really into blush kasi nga diba, yung skin ko is prone siya sa pimples, so I don't really wear makeup as much as I can. But para mag-last yung blush mo, dapat may primer ka. But I don't use primer, so para mag-last yung blush mo, ang na-try ko na matagal talaga siya is the tint. Yung cheek and lip tint, yun, matagal talaga. Kahit anong tint, guys, kasi nagtatagal talaga ang mga tint sa skin natin. So, that will be a great find or makeup for you if you want a long-lasting blush. From That's Rika, ano po yung favorite makeup nyo? You can say the I White BB Cream. Nandito na siya kasi nilagay ko na siya sa ganito. But it's the one in the sachet. Wala silang naka-tube. So yun, I White BB Cream. From Cinead Bester. Is Mia really your name or just a nickname? Mia is one of my names kasi meron akong 3 pangalan na first name ko. So yun. And please try to pronounce my name. Hindi ko alam pronounce, girl. I'm so sorry. Maybe it's Cinead or Cinead. Hindi ko alam. I-pronounce yung pangalan mo. Sorry, I'm not really good into pronunciation sa mga ganyan-ganyan. From Casey Zamudio, her question is, how do you deal with negativity? So, kung dito sa YouTube or online, kapag may mga ganyan, mga negative comments, I don't really entertain negative comments. I just read them and then delete them. Or kung minsan, hinayaan ko lang na nandyan lang sila, deadma. Hindi ko na lang sinasagot, at diba, para ano. And kapag sa, ano naman, dito sa work or sa school, ganyan, or sa family, natuto na ako guys na ano, deadmahin kasi yung mga ganyan. Kasi, hindi na lang ako nagsasalita, or kapag, like, in the hospital, actually, meron kaming, group chat ng mga nurses. I left that group kasi ayoko lang na makakita ng mga, nung mga negative na nangyayari sa hospital or what, mga ganun. Para, kapag nandito ako sa bahay, yung life ko lang, private life ko lang nandito, wala lang from outside the family. Ganun. From Summer Nicole, what is the greatest gift you received this year and why? So, she's pertaining maybe from last year. Greatest. I'm not really into material things kasi, pero kung sa material things, maybe the one that I won from our raffle promo. Ayun, nanalo ako ng TV. From Cherise Andron, again, what are your top most favorite makeup for 2016? Top most favorite, I will just make a video regarding that one na lang. Siguro kasi sobrang haba kung iisa-isahin ko sila. Or maybe ilalagay ko na lang siya sa January favorites ko, guys. And then, I will make a giveaway on that. From Alexis Louis. If you had a chance to start over with someone, would you go back and meet them again? Or would you choose not to meet them at all? Kasi, meron naman akong isang ex. So, nagkikita naman kami, we meet. Kasi, diba, small world lang. Parehas kami, we have the same set of friends. Or, would you choose not to meet them at all? Okay naman na nagmi-meet lang kami, nag-usap kami or what. Maybe that's how maturity works. Kasi, kung na-accept mo na wala na rin talaga, diba? Okay lang, pero to start over again with someone, I think that is impossible at the moment kung mag-start over kami kasi I have my own love life na rin, meron din naman siya. So, yeah, let's not talk about him kasi he's a very private man. So, yeah, I'm sorry. From Apple Jolly, ang question niya is, saan po ang hometown nyo? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas din. Hometown ko is in Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. So, I don't know if you've already seen my vlog about my Ilocos travel together with Mac, but I will soon upload that during this time of filming this video. From Judeline Timpreza, her question, what's your favorite makeup brand? I'm more on to Sansan. And, ano pa ba? Maybelline. Yun. If you were only to have one makeup item, what will it be? Lipstick. Okay na ako doon. Okay na ako sa lipstick. And then, from Joy in Your Heart, paano mo namamanage ang work and relationship mo, sis? So, namamanage ko siya kasi sis, magka-work naman kami ng boyfriend ko. We are both nurses and sometimes magka-duty pa kami sa isang station or magka-duty pa kami sa ER, ganun. And kung ang kagandahan lang kasi sa amin, we can just ask for day off or we can swap duties kung gusto namin lumabas or kapag may importante kaming pupuntahan, we can swap duties together with our co-nurses. So, ayun. And magkalapit lang naman kami. La Union siya, Pangasinan ako, but sobrang lapit lang lang na bayan. Last bayan kami ng Pangasinan and first bayan din sila ng La Union. So, parang effortless. From Euphoria of Paradox, love it sis. By the way, question is, what are the things you are grateful for? The things that I'm grateful for, I thank God for having my family right now kasi they support me all throughout everything. Lahat ng plans ko, lahat ng pag-aaral ko, kakurong-kuruan ko, they support everything. And of course, I thank God for giving me Mac. Kasi yun, kung minsan meron nga yung time na naisip ko na if I'm going to face my ex again, sabi ko na thank you for, di ba, for setting me free or para sa hindi nag-work na relationship namin. Kasi I found back na sobrang love ako, na sobrang pasensyoso sa akin and wala na akong mahiling pakin na. So, thankful ako dun, guys. For the material things, thankful ako kung anong mga meron ako, but I'm more into, ewan ko guys, more on not into material talaga ako. And from Sis Tracy, Life Outside Philippines, ang question niya is, place na gusto mong mabakasyonan outside the country at anong gusto mong makita doon and why? Noon pa, pangarap ko na siya makapunta ng Europe. Lahat yun. Paris, London, and then go to Venice, canal, parang doon din mag-boat, ganun. Yun talaga yung mga sobrang gusto kong puntahan, guys. Europe. Sabi ko nga no high school ako, kapag ako kinasal, gusto ko mag-honeymoon ako sa Europe. Pero, let's see kung kakayanin natin yan na dream. Kasi dream ko pa lang yan nung high school ako. So, gustong ko talaga. Kasi, di ba, mahilig ako mag-travel. So, I really wanna go to Europe. And from G Girl, how do you wrap gift without a box? Ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko na lang siya sa paper bag para madali. Kasi kung i-wrap mo pa siya na walang box or, yung mga parang bag, ganon, wala silang definite na shape, yun na mahirap balutin. So, just move it or just put it inside a paper bag para effortless na rin. So, yun na pala guys. Tapos na pala lahat. Not lahat, but this will be the part 1 of this Q&A video. So, thank you so much guys for leaving your questions on my video. And if you have more questions, you can put down below para ma-answer ko. And then, if you want me to answer or to include your question in a separate Q&A, just leave it with the hashtag AskMia na lang para madali. Ayun. Para ma-question ko siya sa next video ko. Pero kapag hindi nyo na kasi I usually answer questions on the comment section or on the comment boxes. So, ayun guys. Thank you so much guys for watching and for subscribing and for tuning in. Ayan, sa mga nagko-comments, lagi nagko-comments, thank you so much guys. And I hope hindi kayo magsasawa na nanonood sa akin, sa kabaliwan ko, sa mga vlogs ko and everything. So, if you have an Instagram also and Facebook, you can follow me there with my username, JoyOfMia. Doon ako nag-update or nagpo-post ng mga updates ko. So, thank you so much guys. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.